Hello and welcome to another update video about ICP. ICP is currently consolidating around the 23.6 Fibonacci retracement of this rally that unfolded between the 19th of March and the 27th of March. So we had a bit of a rally there and the pullback. You might remember from my previous videos that I highlighted that in this particular rally here, I can really only count 3 waves up, but that I don't find the microstructure particularly reliable. So I make it simple. I draw the fibs accordingly for a wave 4 pullback. And as long as we're holding above that level, I'm leaning towards the interpretation of at least one more high in this structure, which should certainly take us above $20.77 if it happens. Possibly, it's difficult to say where exactly it's going to land because it depends really on where the current pullback finishes. But to give you a broad idea where things might be going, we're looking at the area $21.80 to $25.70 roughly. Just depends on where we find a local low there. So that would be a wave count in which I'm counting circle wave 5 of a larger degree wave 1. As soon as this wave 1 is completed, there could be opportunities for long positions after a wave 2 has started to unfold. That would be a wave 2 corrective pullback, which could send the price into this support area. But bear in mind, should the price push any higher before the wave 2 starts, the support area will be adjusted accordingly. So at the moment, looking at the micro pattern, these are, by the way, very, very fragile and they change a lot. So looking at the micro pattern, my interpretation suggests that we only have 3 waves up. This here might have been the wave 4 low, but then the wave 5 hasn't clearly started, not with the rejection we've had today. So best I can share, or best I can tell, is that there are different ways how we can count this. So I obviously shared with you in the last video, it's possible that the 5th wave to the upside has already started to unfold here. But this is a big mess, big mess. So it could be a 1 and a 2 as a running flat. All of this is wave 1, but then the wave 5 is an ending diagonal. Either way, if the wave 5 of 5 has started, wave 5 of circle wave 5, we should really not break below the intraday low, which was at $17.41. If we do, then the wave 4 is still unfolding. So we would then be dealing with an A, B, C structure. The rally is corrective, but it could be a wave 1 of wave 5 in an ending diagonal. It's just not a high probability count or scenario. The problem is whenever we have 3 waves up after an initial dip, it could suggest we see a further continuation to the downside in which the price could test $15.99 or $14.78. But at the moment, I'm giving the bulls the benefit of the doubt and we'll see where things take us. But it's important that the last low is holding. We have a micro resistance around $19.25 and then around $20.81. If this is a 1-2 setup, well, then we would be dealing with an ending diagonal, and this here would be an A wave, this would be a B, and this would be a C wave. And then we have here another small one to ABC, and the wave 3 would also be an ABC. But we can use the information to calculate an ideal target for wave 3. Condition is today's intraday low is holding, and the absolute bare minimum I'd like it to reach in wave 3 is $20.50. So it's really just an idea about the micro count, but bear in mind it's also possible that the wave 4 is still unfolding as long as we're not breaking below $14.78, and then it would be an A, B, C structure before we carry on. That's my update about ICP. Hope you liked the update. If you did, please hit the like button, leave a comment, and subscribe. And if you really like the content, then please check out the channel membership. Also, make sure that you follow us on Instagram and Twitter for additional content. Thanks a lot for watching. Bye-bye.